Hello and welcome to the module 3 of our video editing mastery course. In this module, we will learn about the Clipchamp video editing software. Clipchamp's video editing software is a basically entry level video editing software that we can use in order to edit our videos. It's a very beginner friendly and easy to use video editing software that we are covering in our module 3. So let's start with our Clipchamp software. So first we will learn about what is included in this module 3. Hi, I am Rahil, a passionate and experienced video editor and a content creator with over 4 plus years of professional experience in the industry, having worked on 500 plus projects ranging from short form social media videos to full length YouTube content. I specialize in teaching beginner to advanced video editing techniques with a focus on AI powered tools, cinematic storytelling, color grading, and social media content creation. Video editing is not just my profession, it's my passion and an exciting career that allow me to bring ideas to life. So in our module 3, the course content will be the course description, learning outcomes, why we choose Clipchamp, Clipchamp availability, navigate the Clipchamp interface, how we can use different templates that we can use to create our quick videos. So Clipchamp is basically a video editing software where we can create our own videos and we can use their existing pre-made templates to make our video editing content with very ease. So there are multiple of templates available that we can use in order to create our videos. It's also have some best AI features available which we will cover in this module. Some of them are text to speech and voiceovers. After that we will create entire video inside Clipchamp and I will tell you what are the best exporting settings that we can use in order to optimize our content for social media. So these are all the different topics that we will learn about in this module 3. So the course description for the module 3 is: this module introduces Clipchamp, a powerful AI-driven video editor available as a web-based platform, desktop software, and a mobile app only for iPhone users. It's not available on Google Play Store yet, but maybe in future it will be available for the Google Play Store as well. Learners will discover essential editing techniques, AI-powered tools for automation, and how to create professional-looking videos with ease. This module also covered templates, branding tools, and direct social media integrations, making it perfect for content creators looking for a fast and an efficient workflow. The learning outcomes from this module will be navigating the Clipchamp web-based platform, desktop software, and the mobile app. Perform basic video editing like cutting, trimming, merging, or adjusting the speed. Utilizing AI powered tools like text to speech, auto-captions, and background removal. Creating a quick and engaging videos using templates and branding tools. Applying transitions, effects, and audio enhancements for a polished content. Exporting and optimizing videos for various social media platforms. Want to know more on video editing? Like, share, and subscribe for more. What is Clipchamp? So Clipchamp is a powerful AI enhanced video editing tool which is basically catering towards beginner audience and also the professionals as well, because if you are a professional and you just need a basic video editing, then Clipchamp is go-to solution for your need. Originally a web-based editor, so Clipchamp was originally a web-based editor. There were no any software or application available for it, but then Microsoft has acquired Clipchamp and expanded its availability, like offering a desktop application for Windows user, mobile application for iOS users, and Windows integrated software as well. It's very easy to use because of its drag and drop interface, also built in its AI tools, and also the best of the the best is cloud syncing. So you can create your account on Clipchamp, so you can access all of your content using its cloud syncing, and you can use your content in any device where you can access the Clipchamp. It's a very great option for your quick and high quality video editing without needing high-end hardware. So Clipchamp is a very easy to use software, and you don't need to have a very high-end PC. You can run it on your low-end PC as well, because it's a web-based software, so you can use it on your web if you cannot want to install any sort of application on your device. And if you are easy to install, you can install using its Windows feature. Unfortunately, we cannot have a Mac application for Clipchamp, but we will hope that Microsoft will create a future application for Mac users, so they can also use Clipchamp on their desktop or on their laptop. So Clipchamp offers pre-made templates. I already told you that there is a great feature which Clipchamp offers, that it has pre-made templates which can easily speed up our editing process, because the templates are pre-made and we can simply make few tweaks in it, add our data, and we will able to create a perfect high quality videos for our social media content. So the templates that are available inside Clipchamp are great for our social media videos, great for our YouTube intros and outros, great for business presentation, and also great for slideshows and collages. So we can use Clipchamp in order to create any sort of videos which we can use in order to upload those videos onto different social media platforms. So now we will learn why we need Clipchamp. So the number one feature Clipchamp offer us is allow us to use cloud-based editing, and we can access our projects anytime, anywhere, without needing to install any application, because Clipchamp is available to website as well, so we don't need to install anything. We can log in with our credentials and we can access to our project anytime without any hassle. After that, the best feature for Windows user for Clipchamp is the integration with Microsoft. As a part of Microsoft family, Clipchamp integrates seamlessly with the other Microsoft tools like OneDrive and Teams, and then you can easily use their OneDrive cloud storage solution, and you can easily use that with Clipchamp. After that, the best feature for Clipchamp and why we need to use Clipchamp over other softwares are their AI features. Clipchamp allow us to use in a very basic or simple format that everybody can easily use. So it has advanced AI tools such as Voiceovers, such as text to speech, and it's provide professional editing results with just minimal efforts because of its pre-made templates or easy to understand interface. So now we will learn where we can access the Clipchamp. So the Clipchamp is available on multiple devices. So Clipchamp is available on multiple formats like web-based version. You can access Clipchamp on any device, just you need to have an internet access and you don't need to download any application. You can simply go to the Clipchamp website and easily you can use the Clipchamp web-based version. After that, you can use Clipchamp on Windows. So Clipchamp application is pre-installed with Windows 11 and it's also available as a standalone application on Microsoft stores for Windows 10 users. Then for Mac user, unfortunately there is no any application available, but you can access the Clipchamp via your web browser. But for iOS user, Clipchamp also comes with its mobile app, which is only available for iOS users. Currently there is no application for Android user yet, but you can access the mobile app of Clipchamp for iOS only. So you can edit your videos on the go with optimized interface. So the flexibility makes Clipchamp an ideal choice for content creators, marketers, educators and casual users. If your main goal for video editing to just use, add few watermarks, add text, add few transition, or your use is very minimal, then Clipchamp is one of the best solution for you, which you can use in order to get the job done. So now we will see how we can access Clipchamp. So over here, this is the website for Clipchamp, which is clipchamp.com. Over here you can access the Clipchamp, and over here as you can see, you can try this software for free, and this software comes with its premium version or paid version as well, which you can pay for monthly or annually and get its unlimited AI features which it offers. So if we talk about different features that Clipchamp offers, if we click on this feature, so there are different features that Clipchamp offer that we can simply use in order to create videos for ourselves. So we can create videos on Clipchamp with very little to no efforts using its AI powered tools. So this feature is best to use on Clipchamp, which is Auto-Captions, and you can create an accurate captions in over an 80 languages. Some softwares comes with Auto-Captions, but they are limited to few languages. But using Clipchamp, you can create Auto-Captions for over 80 languages. And then the next feature is text to speech. So there are different voiceovers available which you can use in order to create speech from your text. Then there is another feature which is available inside Clipchamp, which is resizing your video. So you can resize your video into any format. So you can easily resize your videos using its AI model, and you can easily create the video of 9:16 into 16:9. And there is another feature which is noise suppression. So you can use its noise suppression AI tool in order to reduce and remove any background noise from your audio. It will give you a clear and noise free audio for your videos. And there is another feature called auto cut, where you can give the video to Clipchamp and it will use its AI to auto cut your video, and it will remove all the silences, all the filler words, ums and ahs, and it will provide you a refined recording which you can later on add to your own as well. And there are multiple other features available. So Clipchamp is basically available in browser app which you can use. It's also available as a desktop application. So Clipchamp is also available on Windows. I already told you. If you don't have the Clipchamp on your laptop or on your PC, you can simply go to your Microsoft Store, and over here you can simply search for Clipchamp and you can easily install this application. As I already have installed this application, so over here it's giving me the option to open the application, and after install you will also get this option as well. Then it's also available for its iPhone as well. So for iPhone you can simply go to your app store and you can easily install your video editing application, and you can easily use the Clipchamp onto your iPhone. And if we compare its free version with paid version, so for free version is for beginners and premium for everyday editors. So we can do mostly in the free version, as free version comes with easy video editing, auto composition, and free filters and effect, basic stock medias, text to speech which we can use, auto captions, speaker coach, and up to 1080p export. So these are all the features that comes in its free version, which we don't have to pay anything and we can simply use its free version. But if we want to go for premium, then you will have unlimited watermark free exports, and we can also export our video up to 4K or Ultra HD. We can also use premium audio, images and video stocks. We can also use premium filters and backgrounds, and we can also include, or we can also add brand kit for managing logos, colors and font. And there also in the premium version it will also provide us the content backup. So if you want to upgrade, you can simply upgrade, or you can stuck with your free plan, because maximum of the feature that we want to use will definitely be available inside free. And let's say if we click on try for free, it will prompt us to sign in with some of account. Either we can use our Microsoft account, either we can use our email or Google or any. If you are accessing the Clipchamp using your work or school account, you can sign in with that, and then you will be able to use. So for this tutorial I will quickly continue with Google, and I will simply select my account and I will hit continue. So now I have signed in using my Google account, and here it's asking me what sort of videos bring you to Clipchamp. So there you can choose any of these. So we can simply I am a content creator, and here you can select any of these. So I will simply select influencer, and this is the basic interface of Clipchamp. Now we will learn about the navigating the Clipchamp interface. Now I will show you the web-based interface. So this is its web interface. First we will cover the web interface, then we will go toward this Windows application. So over here, this is basically your account. Here is your settings, and here is all the notification if you got, and over here you can simply upgrade your account. And over here, this is brand kits. There are different templates available which you can use for YouTube, Instagram, intros and outros, gaming, corporate templates, and a lot more. And over here you can click on see all, and there will be tons of different templates which you can easily scroll, and whichever you like you can simply open it. And after that, if you don't want to use any of the templates, you can create your own videos by clicking create a new video. So I will simply click on this plus icon, and this will open. This is basically its editing interface, and as we learn in the module 2 that this is basically, it has its import media, this will be the timeline, and this will be the output. So over here we can import our medias. We can either record and create, we can record our screen and camera, we can record our camera from our laptop, or if we are using external camera, we can only record our screen, we can only record our audio, or we can create the videos text which we will give to Clipchamp, and it will generate the speech using those text. And over here we will have the content library where we have some sort of different shapes available. Clipchamp selects music available, but those music are upgraded which you can use. We have subscriber stickers and music annotations, video stickers. So there are tons of library available which we can use any sort of visual, any sort of element, and we can simply use inside our video. And over here, same as I already show you the templates, over here all the templates available. Over here there is a different text. This is the default plain text, and there are different text styles which we can simply use inside our videos. And over here there are different transitions available which we can simply use, and this is brand kit which will be available inside premium, which we can add logos, color or fonts, etc. So for now we will rename our project to test video, and we will import few videos over here. So for now I will only import the 16:9, and I will simply import all the videos that we used inside the module 2. So to use the video, either we can click on this plus icon and it will automatically over here, or we can simply drag this over here and it will be automatically opened over here. As in the module 2, this will be its detail panel where we can create or where we can delete different things. And over here, as you can see, you will see a purple lining at the very start and at the very end of it, where we can resize or we can increase or decrease the size of our particular clip. And down there will be an option to add audio. So we can simply click on it and it will open the audio section. So over here, this is Clipchamp selects exclusive music and have. So as you can see, we didn't get any watermark over here. So we will simply click on happy and we will simply click over here. I'm not 100% sure if it's copyrighted free or not. You have to find out your own self. Okay, so if we want to use, we can simply drag it onto our project. So for this tutorial I am only using this much of music. So over here you will find a scissor tool which will use to split our clip. So we will simply click over here to split our clip into two different clips, and this we don't need. So we will simply right click and we can delete this, and this will be our video. So as this is an online video, so there will be some here and there buffer. So if we click on the video over here, you can see we can create captions using AI. If our video has audio, we can increase or decrease its volume. So 100% will be the normal volume and over 100 will be increase the volume of our clip. And if we decrease the volume of our clip, then the volume will be lower. And let's say if we want to detach the audio from our clip, so we can simply click and we can detach the audio from our clip. As we are using a stock video, so stock video doesn't come with an audio, so the audio layer will be flat, there will be no audio. And as you can see, it also downloaded that detached audio. Okay, and after detaching the audio, and if we click any of the audio layer, you will see that we have the volume, which we can simply click on it to mute the volume, or we can use this slider in order to increase or decrease the volume. And over here you will find this feature called noise suppression, which you can easily use if your Voiceover has some sort of noise, and you can easily use this AI feature in order to reduce the noise. And after that we will go back to video to try out other feature. So there is a fade feature, as what is called fade in fade out. As you might see different clips onto YouTube, then the video start from black and gradually the video will come on screen, so that is called fade in. And similarly, if the video is ending, the video will start from the original video and then slowly fading towards black screen, so that is called fade in fade out. So we can over here we can add the fade in and fade out effect. So let's say I will add 1.5 seconds of fade in and similarly 1.5 seconds of fade out. So you will see it's starting from black and it's gradually increasing toward the original video. And same if you go toward the end, as you can see it's similarly fading towards the black. So this fade in fade out effect is available inside this Clipchamp. And next there is filter. So there are tons of different filters available. Some filters are paid and some filters are free, which we can use. So as you can see, there are different filters available. Wherever we hover our mouse, the filter will automatically change. We don't need to select in order to apply that filter, which is very smart, because we just need to hover and whichever filter we like, we can simply use that feature. So let's say I like this one, I can apply, and over here I can adjust its intensity as well. And after that there is effect panel. So there are different effects. So this is flash effect, this is pulse effect, this is spin effect, this is VHS effect. So these are different effects which we can apply to our videos. Let's say we apply the VHS effect, and over here we can adjust the grain, how much this dotted pixel that we need. So this is the grain, and over here how much the intensity of that VHS we need. So this VHS is basically applied onto our clip, as you can see. And if we don't want to use, we can simply click on none. Then we have adjusted colors. Same in the module 2 we learn about color grading. So over here we can also use the color grading feature where we can control the exposure of our clip. Okay, we can control the contrast of our clip, and we can also control the saturation of our clip, and we can also control the temperature of this clip. So how these thing works: exposure basically control the light inside our video. So if the exposure is down, the video will be dull, there will be no light, and if we increase the exposure, the video will be more brighter. Same contrast, what we will do, contrast will find the dark spots or black spots, and if we decrease the contrast, then those if you look closely toward his coat, you will see that if we decrease his coat will be more onto the brighter part, but if we decrease the contrast, you will see his coat will be turned more into that. Then we have saturation. Saturation is basically find all the popping color and boosted those colors. So if we decrease, there will be no colors inside the video, and if we increase the saturation, then there will be a lot of colors inside our video. And basically temperature, as we temperature know that the temperature either will be cooler or either will be warm. So over here we can change the temperature of our video. So if we move this knob toward left side, there will be blue tint in our video, which will signify that video is on a colder side. And if we our knob toward right side, then our video will have a warm tone. And over here we can increase or decrease the transparency, which is basically, in other term, we can call this opacity over here. So currently it's 100% opacity, and over here if we turn this all the way to the end, then the opacity will be comes down to 0, or transparency will comes down to 0. And over here there is different blending mode available. So normal, darken, multiply, lightning, screen, overlay. So these are different blending modes available. I will import this video on top to show you what about the blending modes. So this is darken. So what it will do, it will take all the darkened part of the video and it's only displaying those. So multiply will only display the lighting colors, lighting will only display the lightened part of the video, and screen will only display the white pixels in the video, and overlay will match both of those clip accordingly. Okay, so these are different blending modes. And over here there is a button called reset, so we can reset any settings that we have done so far. And lastly we have speed. So on speed, here we can either increase the speed of our clip or we can decrease the the speed of our clip. As you can look closely over here, as I increase the speed, the duration of our video will getting smaller, and as I decrease the speed, the duration of our video will getting larger. So this is all the effects or features that we can apply to our videos. And on audio, we can simply apply the same fade in fade out effect, and we can also simply lower or increase the volume of our clip. We can also choose the speed of our audio as well, and we can simply generate captions from our audio as well. So these are the features that we can use. And if we go over here, so inside stickers we have different stars. Inside background, if let's say we want to use background, so there are different backgrounds which we can simply use. So I will simply click over here, and it's currently importing. So as a web-based version, it will take a little time. So as you can see, the background is currently loading, so it will take time. Okay, so background is loaded. Now you can see this is the background, and over here we can use our video. And using this circle, we can either increase or decrease the size of our clip as well. So let's say this line will definitely, this line will represent the video vertically centered or not, and this line will definitely show the videos horizontally centered or not, and this will show that the videos horizontally and vertically centered. So like this we can show our video over here. And let's say if we want to use any sort of template, let's say I want to use some sort of YouTube template, so I can simply click onto this. So this is the template that we can simply use, and it's currently importing. Because as importing, it will take time because it's a web-based version, so we need to wait for some time. Okay, so over here you can see this is the template. So inside this template we have this circle animation, we have this yellow rectangle, we have this text available, and if we go down, you will see we have this background available, we have this stock video available which they have used, and down this is our older video. So this is the entire video, and if we want to edit any of it, we can simply edit. Let's say I will type over here test video. Over here I will write module 03. Over here I will write 2026, let's say. And if we play the video, the changes are instantly been made. And let's say I want to use my own media that I have imported over here, so I will simply delete this video and I will place this media over here. So if we want to place between these two clips, how we can place? We can simply drag our video and we will make our video in between, then this line will appear, that mean that this video will placed in between these two clips. So we will merge inside this, and you can say it's automatically tracked that it will only be able to show inside this circle. As you can see, if we click on this video, we can simply enlarge it or decrease it according to we want. So we have changed this video, we have changed the text as well. Okay, so in this way we can use different sort of templates that we have created, and we can simply use those templates. And let's say we want to use some sort of text, either we can use this plain text. Okay, but using text we need to go up on a text layer. So as CapCut, the fundamentals are basically same over here. So any layer that have text will only be able to add text onto that layer, and any layer who have stickers, that only layer be able to apply the stickers. So let's say if I want to apply the text onto this layer, what it will do, it will create another layer which we basically for now we don't need. So we will simply delete by pressing the delete button, and we will click onto this, and over here let me enlarge this text, and I will place it, let's say, a little bit on the upside. And over here to edit our text, we can simply click on this, or we can simply double click on our text so we can edit this. So we will write video test 1, and over here either we can change the font from here, or we can change the font from here, and there is a lot of font available which we can choose from. So let's say I will choose this font, and over here we can simply choose their font size from here. Okay, and over here we can use their alignment, either if we want them inside this box onto the left side centered align or right. So we will make it centered align. Then we can bold the text, we can make it italic, and there is no option for underlining the text. Over here we can simply change the color for our text. So let's say I will make it yellow. And if we go toward advanced, we can change the line height. How we can change the line height, I will quickly show you. We'll need to add another line. So there is a distance between these two different lines. First we need to select both. If we decrease the lining height, you will see that the height between these two lines are decreasing, and if we increase height between these two lines, the distance between these two lines are increasing. And first I will delete this one, and now if you see, there is a distance between each character or each letter. We can change that as well. So currently there is spacing available, so we can decrease those spacing, or we can increase those spacing as well. So 0 will be the default value for line height and for letter spacing, and then we can increase or decrease whatever we want. We can either use this knobs available, or either we can use this and type manually whatever we want. Okay, and over here we can add outline to our text. Outline basically the stroke that we have added in the module 2. Over here they are calling it line, and over here we can select the color, and for setting we can use these different pre-made templates. Either we can use thin, we can use the medium one, or we can use the thick one. Okay, so I have select this text and I will select the thick one. So currently it's not working for some reason. As you can see, I have increased the value of it. As a web-based version, there will be some errors here and there. So currently this outline feature isn't working, but it will work. And over here you can add the shadow. As you can see, shadow is working. And over here we can there are different design for distanced shadow, how far we need the shadow. So currently the shadow is very near. We can make it medium far, we can do very far, or here we can change the direction. So currently direction is bottom right, we can make it to bottom centered, we can make to bottom right. And over here we can use this custom knob in order to find the angle or find the direction of our shadow. So we will make it on top, and over here we can increase or decrease the length of the blur, and over here we can increase or decrease the distance from here as well. So these are very much different text settings that we can apply, and same we can fade in fade out our text. We can use different effects to our text, which basically called animation for our text. So if we select the vaporize effect, as you can see the vaporize effect has been applied to our text, and over here we can change its intensity, how speedily or how slowly it will apply to our text. Over here we can change the grains, over here we can change the intensity, how you can say harsh the effect will be applied on our text. Over here this is a pulse effect, this is a VHS effect, this is slow zoom effect, this is slow zoom random, this is blur effect. So this is all the different effects that we can add to our text. So there is a quick tip to using its web version. If you are using its web version, you need to have a good internet in order to use its web version. And over here you can simply adjust all of these color for your text as well. Okay, so currently I will go to effects, I will make it none, and over here as you can see, you can change the contrast of your text, you can change the exposure of your text, you can change the saturation of your text, and over here you can change the temperature of your text, and transparency with basically the opacity of your text. And over here you can change the blending mode as well if you want to use. Let's say if you multiply, then it will multiply with the background. Okay, so this is the plain text that we can use, and there are different text styles available that we can simply use. Let's say I like this retro a lot, so I will simply place it over here, and if I double click over here I can change to test, and over here we can change the font style, or we can change to the default that they have chosen. We can also change the font size, we can also make it bolder if we want, we can change the colors, or we can use this feature in order to get the perfect color that we want. And in advance we can change the line height and letter spacing, but the other shadows and outline effect that won't be available for text style because it has been already been created and applied to our text. So let's see, if I want to use this neon one, I can simply use, and I can simply change that name. So I will change to test, and over here we can apply different effects to our those colors. And this is basically transition, so I need to delete all of these in order to show you how the transitions work. Okay, so I have two different clips available over here. As you can see, I will make it bigger, I will delete that background, and I will make it bigger for whole screen so we can find the transitions. Okay, so these are two different, and currently we have added the fade in fade out. We will simply delete the fade in and fade out effect. And for transition there are different transitions available. This is cross fade effect, this is cross blur, this is fade through black, and this is horizontal bending. So let's say I like this one, and what I need to do, I will simply drag this transition and I will simply place that to this plus icon, and this will change to this transition icon. That means that transition has been applied it, and over here we can increase or decrease the duration of this transition, which you can see over here as the indication of that purple color over here. So how this transition will work, you will see over here like this. So this transition will work like this, and there are other transition effects like this tiles translation which we can use. And how it works here you can see, so it will work like this. Over here you can change the duration to 1 second in order to view the transition properly. And over here there are different vibes available. Let's say we will like this circle vibe, we will use that, as you can see. So there are different zoom and spins available, pushes available, cartoon animations available, but some animations are paid one which you can't use until unless you will use for your upgrade to Clipchamp Premium. And there are different 3D transition available, which is basically this cube animation as well, as you can see. So you can use these different transitions as well. So after that over here we can also see for timeline, we can either zoom out to timeline, zoom into timeline, or we can fit everything that we have into this timeline. And over here we can collapse the timeline if we just want to see whatever we have done so far. And let's say this is our video and we need to change the size. So currently the size is wide, so we need to change to 9:16. So we can easily do that, and we can maximize it over here, and we can also change its size according to we want. Okay, so over here we can change the clip to like this. So over here as you can see, our 16:9 clip has been changed to 9:16. Over here we can simply click on fit and it will also fit, and if we want to click on this fill, it will automatically fill to the entire aspect ratio that we have selected, and we can see easily move our clip in order to select. So we will simply click on fit, and after that we will able to click on fill, and it will automatically choose that. And over here we can easily rotate our video, we can easily flip our video, we can use the picture in picture mode, or we can also have more options which is available over here. And this is AI suggestions which we can use to auto cut to remove the any pauses or fillers from our videos. Now we will see how you can use AI powered text to speech and voiceover. We will simply click on try it, and we will go to text to speech, and over here new text to speech is currently buffering. We will click over here and it's currently buffering, let it buffer. So currently the language is English selected, and over here we have different AI model available. So let's say we will go with Ava, and if we click over here we will able to hear her voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
So let's say we will write, this is the video for module 3 of our video editing mastery course. Okay, I have spelled the mastery wrong, so we will click on preview.
This is the video from Module 03 of our Video Editing Mastery course.
So this is the voice that we can get, and if we need we can simply click on save, and that voice will be available over here, as you can see.
This is the video from Module 03 of our Video Editing Mastery course.
This is our text to speech AI tool that we can simply use inside Clipchamp if we don't have any voiceover, and we can simply use their text to speech tool to generate voices for our video. Now we will see how you can use their export feature in order to use for your different social medias. So currently we can only able to export till 1080p, we won't be able to export 4K. So we will easily export to 1080p, and over here the video is currently being exported, and as you can see the video has been exported and it's also give us that video. So I will simply click on it to view that video. So this is the entire video that we have made using Clipchamp online web-based editing tool available. Or we can also connect our OneDrive, connect our Google Drive, or we can directly upload to YouTube, or we can directly connect to TikTok. So we can connect these different platforms in order to directly save our video over there rather than saving to our computer. Now we will go back to home menu, and over here we have all the different projects that we have used over here. And over here there is another called create a video with AI, so we will simply click on that to check this feature. So what we need to title our video, so let's say we will title our video editing course. So this will be our title, and we need to drag some of our media. So we will drag these 4 videos as our medias, and we will simply click on get started. And over here they are asking us for different style. If it's good, you can choose thumbs up. If it's not, you can thumbs down, or you can simply leave it to AI, whatever they choose. And whether you want to use the aspect ratio of landscape or portrait, we will go with portrait. And how long should your video will be, so either you can do for full length video, or either you can do for less than 30 seconds. So we will do less than 30 seconds. So currently they have used the music glitter, and this is the video that they have made using AI. We haven't done anything, we just and we have uploaded our media. So let's see how the video has come up. If we are happy, we can export, or if we aren't, we can simply click on edit in timeline. So it will provide the entire timeline of that video, which we can simply go through. So this is our first video, this will be the second, and this will be the fourth. And after that, this is basically the background that they have chosen. So we will delete the background, we will also delete this one, and they have used these 2 videos for no reason. So we can simply delete this one, so we can pull this video fully. And over here same thing, they have used this video half cut. I don't know why they have choose. So the AI feature is a little bit hit or miss. So if you like, or if you want a very quick video, you can use the AI feature, or I would suggest create the videos manually. So this was the entire tutorial for its web-based version, and I have also shown you how you can use different templates over there. I have also shown you how you can use their AI powered text to speech and voiceover, and I have also shown you how you can use their exporting feature. Now we will go for its application. So we will click on open. So now it's currently being open, as you can see. Okay, so Clipchamp Windows application has been started. So over here they are asking for our first name, so we will give them first and last name. We will click on continue, and same as they do for their web version, they are asking same for their desktop version as well. Okay, so we will simply click the same, and the interface are entirely same as they have given for their web version as well. So over here I have logged in with my Outlook. Over here this is notifications, and over here this is the video that I have created very long ago. This is 2024 video. So over here, as you can see, we have get inspired with templates. So over here there are different templates available. So now we will select any template. We will select this slideshow template over here from here. So there are different slideshow templates available that we can simply use. And let's say we will do this chill advanced corporate style, and it's a 25 seconds long and 16:9 ratio. Okay, got it. So we will click on use template, and over here this is the entire template. Over here they have added a music, they have added different clips, and these clips are from their content library, where we can find different stock photos, stock images, stickers, music, SFX, and different other materials as well. Okay, so currently they are being downloading over here, as you can see. And over here we can also replace the text from here as well. And over here we will simply click on create video in order to see if there is any changes in their desktop application or not. So we will simply click on plus icon to start the video from scratch. And as you can see over here, they are asking for either the light version of their application or the dark version. So I mostly prefer with dark version, so we will go with that. Other updates are basically this, we can simply go for that. And the next is basically they have added the aspect ratio section, they have added captions, they have added undo and redo button over here. Next, and over here we can simply delete an item, duplicate an item, or we can also set the playback controls. So we will click on got it. This is the exactly same layout as we have on our web version. Okay, so we simply click on import media and quickly find the all other 4 videos that we have imported early on. So now they are simply importing over here. So as you can see, they take a little time in order to load to application, as you can see. So we will click on this clip and place it over here. As you can see, the video is placed same as their web version. Over here, this is the video, and we will make a cut around 4 seconds. And one thing that I have also view over here that is very strange, let's say the video is either in 60 fps or in 30 fps, it start from 60 and it doesn't count 60 as 1 second, it's go all the way to 100, then it count as 1 second. This is a little weird for me. And over here I will simply split and I will simply delete this. So in the web version we don't have this rename feature, we don't have this audio, which is basically either we can simply mute over here or we can detach, or we don't have any auto cut feature available. We have to go right over there. So these are new for this particular feature. So we will simply delete this one. We will go over here, we will add another video, we will go to 7 frames above and we can also trim like this. Then we will go prefer this video, we will go like over here, we will stretch like this, and there is no magnetic timeline that everything will directly attach to over here. We have to do that manually. We will make it to around 10 seconds long, and we will make another cut over here and we will simply press the delete button from our keyboard. Okay, so we have simply applied these 3 videos onto our timeline. Then we will add different transitions over here. These are different transitions, and let's say we will add this fade through black transition right over here, and on to downside we will add this circle wipe transition to over here. And as you can see, the duration of transition a little longer than the web version over here. So we have added the transition. Now next thing that we need to add is adding our text. So first we will add this button over here and we will make it shorter like this, and for applying it's taking a little time, so it's buffering right now. So we need to wait for a little bit in order to it can process this text style. Okay, so I don't know why it's taking a lot of time. So we will take this simple text and at the same time we will work on this simple text as well. So we will make it shorter. So while they are buffering, we will simply move these over here. We will find these functions. So this is the audio. We can increase or decrease the audio same as in the web version. Over here this is the detach feature. We can detach our audio. This is the fade in and fade out effect. Let's say if we want to add the fade in fade out effect, let's say I'll add a 0.5 seconds fade in. So as you can see, the fade in has also been applied. Over here there are different filters available. So these are different features. This is blue and bold and blue. This is golden hour. This is purple undertone. This is contrast. This is fall. So I like the fall. I will lower the intensity a little bit. Then we will go to effects. So these are different effects. As you can see, we can apply. So we can apply this, slowly zoom in, and over here we can simply increase the spacing as well, or we can reverse this as well. So how it will start? It will start from a very zoom in, and it will slowly come back. So over here we can change the reverseness of the effect, which is we can do over here. I'm sure that will also be available on its web version as well. Then we have adjust colors, which is basically same as their web version. Make a little bit adjustment to our video, the exposure a little bit, so we can make it down. We can also cool down the temperature, and this is the normal blending mode that we have seen. This is the speed, let's say increase to 1.5 1.1x. Yeah, the speed is also working similar. And what else we can do? Let's go for content library, and over here there are different subscribe stickers. Let's find those stickers. Let's say I like this sticker. We can simply load this sticker, and sticker is loaded. Sticker is quickly fast loaded, but still it's buffering. Let's see how fast it's go. I like this. So now the text has been appeared. So we will bring back this text to our video 1, and over here we will make the text on top, so we can easily make changes to our text. We will write over here video test 01. We can change its size also, like this, that should be enough. And we can also place this right around here. And what about this normal text? We will take this normal text and we will place it, take it over here, test video. Okay, we will rotate it a little bit, and we can apply those text video over here. And this is the subscribe animation, which we will pull up like over here. Let's say if we don't want to use the very front half, we cannot cut to it. Let's say if we make a cut, if the transition still starts from 0. Yeah, the transition still starts from 0. As you can see, the lining appears, then this text appear. No worries, we can work with that. And over here, as you can see, we have different other Hindi language texts are also available, which we can simply use. And it also have this animation as well. Then let's say if we want to record, if the features are still same, but before that we will add a fade down of 0.5 at the very last video. After that, let's find a quick music from Clipchamp selects. We will go towards music, and let's say Orphan Spirit, we like this music, and we will place it at down there. Okay, and right over here we will make a cut. We will delete this one, and on to our music. This music is currently being loaded, I guess. Yeah, the current music is currently being loaded. So as you can see, the Open Spirit is still downloading. I have also found that we can have different keyboard shortcuts, same as the CapCut, but over here we cannot change these right now. We can only use these as delete comes with delete button and backspace button. Over here, as you can see, the music is still loading, but we have these features. So let's try. I will move my cursor to the very end, and let's see if we want to record our screen. Over here it's accessing that Microsoft Clipchamp access to your microphone. Yes, you can do. Yes, you can access to my camera as well. Okay, so currently they have selected the microphone, and over here there is coach. So get analysis of your recording speech, including pace, speech or filler words. Okay, so currently we don't need that, and recording is limited to 30 minutes, so we can only do that 30 minutes of recording. So I will simply click on this recording, and over here it will show you which window I can record, or we can record the entire screen. Okay, let's say we will record the entire screen, and this is basically the entire section. Over here we can hide this. Okay, and we will go to Clipchamp, and we will simply cut out over here. No, we will stay over here. If we are using Clipchamp, we cannot record Clipchamp. Okay, so we can simply record our this desktop, and you can see this was our recording that they have done. We can simply click on save and next. Currently it's selected our recording over here. this is the complete recording that we have done. So we can simply detach our audio from here. As you can see, we have detached our audio. We will move that to over here, and if we select both, and we will simply click auto cut, and let's say if we want to transcribe first, we can simply give them to transcribe our audio first, and after transcribing it will analyze our footage and it will make auto cuts according to its AI. So it's analyzed that in this base recording we have two pauses, okay, and if we can simply either ignore it or either we can remove it, so we will simply remove it, this one, and we will remove the other one as well. So we have removed the silences from our video, and this is the entire video that we have. Now after that, what we will need to do, we will need to select all of these. I will simply close the downloads button, and what we need to do is we need to generate the captions. Okay, so these are the caption they have chosen from the voiceover that we have recorded. So currently, can we improve? So we can give them feedback over here, or we can also download the SRT files and we can use the these are the captions that they have generated. So hide caption in the video. So currently, let's see if they have used the captions inside our video. So no, they haven't used the caption inside video because the hide video caption in the video is applied. So we will uncheck this so that the caption, I think that it will be visible inside video. So currently it's buffering, so we need to wait for that. Okay, another thing that I have learned that if we need to empty this space in order to, you can say, match these footage with this, we need to delete this gap. Also we need to delete this gap so they will merge with each other. Okay, and over here if I simply show you, this is basically all the captions that they have generated. Okay, and we can click on it and we can also change the caption, different editing that we can add to text, we can add to over here as well. And over here we can apply different effects to our text as well, same as we do for our text, we can apply same to our captions as well. So I will quickly hide this panel. Now that we have done this, at last the main thing which is remaining is text to speech. This is a quick test for the clip champ to show its text. Okay, I have done this, so I will preview this first.
This is a quick test for the Clipchamp to show its text-to-speech feature.
I like it. I will simply click on save and it will directly be imported into my project.
This is a quick test for the Clipchamp to show its text-to-speech feature.
So now what it's done, every and anything or any text that we will put on side our clip, it will directly captionize that as well. Okay, so we can simply turn off the auto caption if we want, or it will add the captions to the video. Okay, so this was the entire video, and over here now we will simply do the export. We will simply click on export, and we notice that visual gap in your video, these gap appear as a blank frame in your exported video. So we will simply fix those, delete all the visual gaps. So now the visual gaps are deleted if there is any. Now we can simply download the high quality. Okay, so they are saying that it will save to our OneDrive, which we don't need. I will rename this like test video 2. So now the video has been exporting, as you can see, and this is the video that we have created. Now the video has been exported and it's also been into our downloads folder. We can simply click on it to watch the video. And this is basically the we will stay on our.
This is a quick test for the Clipchamp to show its text-to-speech feature.
Okay, so this is everything that we need to learn about Clipchamp. If you have any questions regarding Clipchamp, you can ask me, and your task for this module is to create a 30 seconds video using your videos or using the stock from Clipchamp and create a fake video and submit those video to me, and I will check and I will definitely let you know. Okay, so our module 3 is come to an end. Okay, the summary of module 3 is, in this module, we explored Clipchamp as a versatile and AI powered video editor available on web, desktop, and mobile. We have covered basic video editing techniques, AI enhancements, templates, and branding tools to help create high quality videos effortlessly. With Clipchamp's AI automation and seamless social media export, you can now have a quick and efficient workflow for producing engaging content. Our next module will be module 4, Filmora, an advanced yet simple editing software. Like, share, and subscribe for more on video editing.